Who knew you could have your cake and eat it too? With or without chocolate chips, this dark chocolate, vegan, gluten-free, extra protein, delicious mug cake is truly amazing and easy to make for 1, 2, or even 4 people. Here you'll see the recipe, the ingredients. All the details will be listed below this video. So just wanted to give you some pictures of the process here. It's so much fun. I actually did this activity with my son one day after school. So he helped me pour it in. And what I wanted to show you is you can make 1, or we went ahead and made 4 for 1 for each person in our family. Although I have to say, my son got full after eating about half of it. So you might want to consider 1 mug for maybe 2 people, unless they're an adult. And even then. So just wanted to share that little bit of insight. Anyways, you can see how the process comes together super fast. You just pour it right in the mug, mix it right up, pop it in the microwave, literally 1 minute and you're done. And there's protein and it's amazing. If you want more recipes like this, download my app. Enjoy.